What's up guys, it's Dan from Daily, here today to talk to you about a brand new cabinet that we just got in from our partners over at KCD. This right here is a brand new stain that they are offering, available right now, called Brooklyn Fawn. A little lighter than some of the stains that they've offered before, but something that is super popular right now. It's a really nice stain that complements other cabinets super well. Standalone, very nice also. You can use this in your bathroom, in your kitchen, however you want to use it. This is in their Brooklyn style, so it also complements the other Brooklyn colors that they have to offer, which is the modern gray, the midnight, and the bright white. But this is one that I think is going to be flying off the shelves, so to speak. The light stains are back in, super popular right now, and this is going to be a great cabinet for anybody, depending on what you're looking to do. I think if you get a lot of light in your space, this is one that's going to work super well for you. Again, this is KCD Brooklyn Fawn. And guys, we're the only people in the area that even offer KCD. So get in touch with us if you'd like to use this in your next renovation project. Comment Fawn in the comments below.